Welcome back to SavvyTechAvantika. Today, we're diving into the future of software testing in 2024. If you're into tech, stay tuned. Software testing is evolving rapidly. In 2024, artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the forefront. These technologies automate complex tasks, making testing faster and more efficient. Imagine AI bots testing software just like humans. Next up, DevSecOps is making waves. This approach integrates security into the development process, ensuring safer and more reliable software. It's all about teamwork and collaboration, enhancing the overall quality of applications. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another game changer. With more smart devices emerging, testing for IoT is crucial to ensure everything works seamlessly and efficiently in our interconnected world. Cloud-native testing is on the rise. Testing in the cloud offers flexibility and scalability, making it easier to handle complex applications and adapt to changing demands. Let's not forget mobile testing. With the increasing use of mobile apps, ensuring they work perfectly is more important than ever for user satisfaction. The future of software testing is bright and full of opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned tester or just starting, there's something exciting for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.